Hey there folks, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a basic cylinder in Fusion 360. So you're going to select your plane as always, and then there's two different ways to do it. You can do it with creating the center diameter circle, you can make an ellipse, but we're just going to go with the center circle up here. And we're just going to go with, oh yeah, we need a 4.05 inch diameter cylinder. And then we're just going to come up here and extrude it and drag it to where we need it to go. Let's say it needs to be 4.05 by 4.10. I don't know why you need one that big, but you can. But also I'm going to show you an easier way to do it. You come up here with this little create tab and you're going to select cylinder. I'm going to select this plane because I always do. You'll need the different planes for different things. Like let's say like I want to emboss something or engrave something, you'll obviously need a different plane. You just don't for this basic shapes series. We'll select our center point, drag it out, let's say it needs to be 2.5, then we click enter, and then it works the same way as that basic rectangle tool, and you can change whatever. Yeah, that's how to make a basic cylinder in Fusion 360.